Tell me again about who you want to come to dinner. What were you just telling Mommy?
I didn't see it.
Oh, it's a videotape. About Esther and Fidel.
Yeah.
What about them? Who's coming? I'm taking a video. Who's coming?
I didn't see it.
There's nothing to see. I'm taking a video.
I didn't see it.
There's nothing. I'm taking a video of you. Then I'll show you when I'm done, okay? Tell me about what you were just telling me about dinner.
Dinner.
Who do you want to come?
Nene.
Who else?
About.
Fidel, Esther. Who else?
Nene.
Nene. Who else?
Then.
Dane. Anybody else?
Esther.
Yeah, okay. Anybody else?
No more.
No
more.
No more? That's it? And when should they come? Come home here? And what are we going to do when they get here?
Garbage truck.
Garbage truck? What else should we do when they get here?
Garbage truck.
Play with the truck? What else?
Bring baby.
Play with the baby? Anything else we should do with them?
Clock the hopper.
Oh, the helicopter.
The bill should play clock the helicopter.
Oh, you want
It's
Fidel?
not charged.
Oh, it's not charged. Oh, we should charge it before they get here, okay? Anything else you want to do with them? Okay, so come over, you guys.
Come over.
Okay, I'll tell them, okay? Say I love you guys. I miss you.
I miss you.
Yeah, okay.